next step. Chop off the top. How far?
Up more. Right there, yeah.
You know where's my
Left young come with them.
the top part here where I live. Alright, so we're going to shave it. We're supposed to be instructing me, lady.
Go on, man.
How much I wear shave off?
Go on, yeah, everything. Put it from up in a day, yeah, and shave it. You don't have to shave off down there, so. Up.
When I use down here, so from about here, from here?
Yeah, right here, yeah, right
Chop off
here.
that.
Come. Chop it right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
So that part here no good? What's it look like when you do it?
Come finish it.
Shave off. Yeah, totally. And you are doing, I'm going to show you how it is. So this is me and my teammate shaving the thatch today. So the thatch is, we can use it similar to a vegetable. We can steam it or we can eat it just like that. So we can just rip it, shave it off, and we can eat it. So when we are in the hills without food, this is what we eat. Finish now? Alright. So this is my piece, right?
And here is the Thatch Plant.
Just like the coconut meat.
Yes, I'm eating thatch egg from the thatch. Nice, tastes just like coconut. It's lovely.
So we are here, showing you the thatch leaves. We have just reaped a thatch, a small one, shaved it and heated it. So we're just showing you the leaves because we use the leaves for different craft purposes. We can plait the leaves to create roofing. Also we can use it for many other art purposes. So the thatch leaf is similar to that of palm leaves. The tree overall is similar to a palm tree.